Why AI won't kill jobs? It will create a more abundant world. Earlier, I said AI is just a tool, and whether it makes you rich or poor depends on how you use it. Someone then asked a fair question. If AI boosts productivity, won't that reduce the need for human workers? Won't we lose jobs? That's partly true. Productivity will absolutely rise. And yes, some roles will disappear. But there's a critical piece missing from this logic: total production. The assumption behind the fear is that even if AI increases output per person, total output will stay the same. So fewer workers will be needed. But history tells us otherwise. Take agriculture. When farmers began using tractors, output per worker exploded. Fewer farmers were needed to feed a growing population. But agriculture didn't collapse. It thrived. We produced more food at lower costs, and global food supply chains expanded. Meanwhile, former farm workers found jobs in cities, in factories, in offices. Another example: the washing machine. Once a tedious household chore, laundry became effortless. Did this eliminate work? No. It freed people to invest time in education, care work, and creativity. Technological progress doesn't eliminate the need for people. It transforms what people do. AI will do the same. By handling routine, repetitive, or data-heavy tasks, it opens space for humans to focus on creativity, leadership, empathy, and complex decision-making. And most importantly, AI doesn't just increase productivity per person, it increases the total capacity of the economy. More goods, more services, more value, available to more people. That's how technology makes society more abundant. We don't just replace jobs, we create new ones, better ones. The key is adaptation. Those who understand AI and learn to work with it will lead the next wave of progress. So don't fear AI. Learn it, use it, lead with it. The future isn't jobless, it's richer than ever if you're ready.